This is First Coast Math Clinic with Lesson 5, Function Notation, a quick video for Unit 8 functions. This is going to be a quick video. We're going to go through 5 examples. If you want a more detailed explanation on function notation, you can check out the link for the video that's going to appear right now, as well as at the end of this video. All right, let's get into this. So for number 1, we've got f of x equals negative 4x plus 6. We want to evaluate f of negative 3, so we're going to take that negative 3, plug it in for our x values. So we want f of negative 3 equals negative 4 times negative 3 plus 6. So we want to know what f of negative 3 is. So f of negative 3, negative 4 times negative 3 is going to give us positive 12 plus 6. F of negative 3 is going to give us 18. So our function in terms of negative 3 is going to be 18. Number 2, we want to evaluate f of x equals x plus 4 over 7. We want to evaluate f of 10. So we're going to do the same thing. Let's take that 10, plug it in for our x values. So f of 10 equals 10 plus 4 over 7. F of 10 equals 14 over 7. And 14 divided by 7 is going to give us 2. So f of 10, when we substitute 10 into our function, we're going to get 2 back. And g of negative 2, so we've got our function g of x. Another way we could use another different type of function notation, we could use, instead of f of x, we could use g of x. So g of x equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 4. So we can take that negative 2, substitute it in for x. So g of negative 2 equals 2 times negative 2 squared plus 3 times negative 2 minus 4. So now we want to follow our order of operations. We want to square first. We're squaring the negative 2. So negative 2 squared means negative 2 times negative 2. That's going to give us back positive 4. So I'm going to bring everything down around this. Let's do this as well while we're here. 3 times negative 2 is going to give us negative 6 minus 4. So g of negative 2 equals 2 times 4 minus 6 minus 4. 2 times 4, we can get 8 at the next step, minus 6 minus 4. So g of negative 2 equals, let me erase this and write this a little neater. G of negative 2, so our function in terms of negative 2, is equal to 8 minus 6 minus 4. So let's simplify this. 8 minus 6 is 2, and then 2 minus 4, and we're going to get back negative 2. So g of negative 2 is going to be equal to negative 2. So our answer here is going to be negative 2. So we can also work backwards, and if we know the value of our function, f of x, we can work backwards and solve for x. So for example, number 4, in our function f of x equals 5x minus 6, we know the value of f of x is equal to 9. So we know this entire function value is equal to 9. We want to figure out, well, what's our value of x? So to do that, we're going to replace the entire value of f of x with 9. So we're going to have 9 equals 5x minus 6, and then solve for x. So that's our unknown. So we're going to add 6, 6's cancel out, we get 15 equals 5x, then divide by 5, and 5's cancel out, and we get x equals 3. Number 5, we do the same thing, narrow notation. We're using h of x. H of x is another common notation where we use f of x, g of x, h of x. Those are some of the common notations we use. So now h of x is equal to 4, so we can replace that entire h of x with 4. And again, we're solving for x. So we're going to have 4 equals 2x plus 8 divided by 3. So now to solve this for x, let's multiply times 3 times 3. The 3's cancel out on the right. We're going to get 12 equals 2x plus 8. I'm going to subtract 8. Subtract 8. 8's cancel out. And you get 4 equals 2x. Then divide by 2. Divide by 2. 2's cancel out on the right, and we get x equals 2. So for number 5, we're going to get x equals 2. Number 4, we're going to get x equals 3. All right, so this was a quick video just going over some examples on solving for function notation, solving for x, and then evaluating functions when we're given f of a specific value. Again, if you want a more detailed explanation on working with functions and function notation, you can check out the link for the video that's going to appear at the end of this video. If you like this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see some additional videos on additional topics, just leave them in the comments. Again, I hope these videos are helping you guys. Again, if you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. First Coast Math Clinic.